welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I am here to share with you some exciting news. You're probably aware of this already because there are many posts on social media about it, but I am here to talk about it because it is very exciting, it's going to be fun, and I am super excited. I am talking about the A to Z of Christmas craft brought to you by Rach and Bella Crafts. This is a huge collaboration because there are 34 YouTubers who will participate in this event. And the 34 YouTubers come from all over the world. This Christmas collaboration will bring some of the biggest names in our crafting community. There are also new YouTubers and not so new but are not that big yet who will be joining this event. This event will give you tutorials, Christmas craft ideas, giveaways, laughter and inspirations, and so much more. So I invite all of you to join us, to support us, and hopefully you craft along with us. This event runs the whole month of November, starting tomorrow, November the 1st. And every day there will be a YouTuber who will share her project. All the channel links will be in my description. And if you would like to know more, please watch the channel of Rach and Bella Crafts. I will have her link in my description. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope to see you in all the videos. Bye now. Take care. God bless you. Till next time.